PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers expert HVAC system design in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, creating customized heating and cooling solutions tailored to your property's unique needs. Our experienced professionals evaluate your space, airflow requirements, and energy goals to design efficient systems that deliver consistent comfort year-round. We focus on proper system sizing, ductwork layout, and energy efficiency to ensure optimal performance and long-term reliability. Whether for new construction or system upgrades, our designs help reduce energy costs and improve indoor air quality. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for professional HVAC system design that maximizes comfort, efficiency, and performance. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a HVAC system design near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What factors are considered in HVAC system design? HVAC system design in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania involves evaluating several important factors to ensure efficient and reliable performance. One of the most critical considerations is the size of the home or building. System capacity must match the square footage to provide consistent heating and cooling. How long does HVAC system design take? The time required for HVAC system design in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania depends on the complexity of the project and the size of the property. For standard residential homes, the design process may take a few days, while larger or more complex buildings may require additional time for detailed planning. What is your service office for HVAC system design? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local HVAC system design Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Acopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/